In today's video, I will walk you through how to add video in text in CapCut PC. Start by choosing the background you want to use for your project. Once your background is placed into the timeline, add a text layer to the project. After adding the text, position it near the bottom of the video so it works as an overlay above the background layer. Now edit the text and type the words you want to display. Make the text bold so the video effect inside the text becomes more visible and easier to see. You can adjust the size of the text as needed so it takes up more space on the screen. Next, click on the video layer. Go to the Basic then Blend settings and choose Darken Mode. After selecting Darken Mode, set the opacity to 100%. This will apply the blend effect fully to the layer. After that, click on the text layer, enable blend for the text layer as well, and move the opacity slider to 100%. Once that is done, enable background for the text layer. Now, enable blend again and keep the opacity at 100%. This makes sure the effect is fully applied to the text layer and background layer together. Next, adjust the height and width settings. Continue toggling and resizing them until the text area covers the entire video the way you want. You can keep modifying the scale until the effect fills the frame properly and the video appears clearly inside the text. Once everything is aligned correctly, preview the video to make sure the text overlay and blend settings look the way you want. If needed, continue adjusting the text size and positioning so the video inside the text appears centered and clean on screen. You can also resize the text layer slightly larger or smaller depending on how much of the video you want visible through the letters. Keep the blend settings enabled while making these adjustments so you can preview the final effect in real time. After the layout looks correct and the video is visible inside the text, your effect is complete. The combination of the blend settings, text overlay, background layer, and resizing creates the final video and text effect directly inside CapCut PC.